Oh shoot, what's up guys? My name is Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
I don't know if you guys remember me, or for those that do, came out on like That Racing channel. Guys, I'm Jeffrey Velasquez. Top Gear. Might look different, I don't know. But today we are headed to go buy a car. What car? I'm not sure. Is it worth it? Maybe, maybe not. But I think it's a deal. So we're gonna see what it is. You guys can tell us if it's worth it or not. Check back in like 20 minutes. Oh damn. Estoy distraído.
My boy was down bad.
What did he say?
Said my boy was down bad.
Introduce yourself in the video.
Oh yeah.
What's your name?
Hi, my name's Michelle.
They've been friends since high school, these two.
Yeah, we went to high school. I used to copy her off of pre-cal right before class. I'd be like, hey Michelle, let me copy your homework. And that's how we became friends.
Introduce yourself, Grandpa. We got Unc over here.
I'm the video guy. So you guys are not gonna see me, but I'll be holding the camera. What city is this?
We're in Cypress. Cypress, California. For those that don't know where Cypress is, it's by Cerritos.
For those that don't know where Cerritos is.
It's by Lakewood.
I wonder what your friends are gonna comment on this video.
Some shit. Oh shit, sorry, excuse the language. Some dumb stuff.
Like happy stuff, right?
Yeah, happy stuff, exactly. They're gonna be very excited for me.
No,
What's up, big dog?
She's a little dog.
I'll choke you out.
Do the hand, do the hand, do the hand.
Oh no, we're in Los Alamitos. I told you.
This is Los Alamitos?
Yes.
No way.
Yes.
I thought Los Alamos was south.
You don't even know where you're at.
I don't. Estoy norteado.
Having a panic attack in the back.
Damn, that's crazy. Forgot my wallet.
Who forgot his wallet?
Oh shit. Damn, this guy lost a lot of weight. Take it off. Take it off.
Yeah. I was actually thinking about it. On my shoulder.
Hey, we gotta introduce Martin. Can you hear me? Can they hear me with this? So this is my boyfriend. I mean my friend Martin. He's the owner of 1997.
97.
2600 horsepower
26, yeah.
Supra, MK4 Supra.
We gotta add this stuff. We gotta billet block.
Yeah, billet block,
Billet,
sequential,
660,
sequential, everything.
yeah.
8.8 rear end.
What else?
I don't know.
That's billet too, though.
Twin 7870 turbos, like this huge.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Hell yeah.
But yeah, that's my best friend Martin.
This is just my friend.
That's it. Oh, dude, look at it. I found this photo of me fat, bro. Like at my peak, shit.
God damn.
Like, I was like, who's that?
Are you wearing a t-shirt? You're wearing a fucking
Mantel?
Close enough, I guess.
That's pretty cool. So we just got coffee, came to Black Dot. Pretty good. Coffee's pretty strong. We're gonna go pick up the car in like 10 minutes. Tow truck guy's already waiting for me, so I think he's gonna get upset. Told him to wait, I'll be there. Told him we're stuck in traffic. Coffee traffic. Hopefully it's clean underneath. Hey, what car did you bring?
Hey, that's truck.
Oh, all right, I parked right here. I brought the fucking Vietnamese car. Excuse me. Bourbon contest. We're here, Top Rank. And if you haven't guessed it, it's probably what you're thinking. Yes, it is.
Is it that one right there?
No,
Yeah.
that's too clean. Mine's a bucket.
That one is clean though, look at that.
Yeah, that one is super clean. What's up, bro? It's my buddy David right there. Love that guy.
You'll be out of it or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a video out of it. This is it. It's a new whip. It's a diamond in the rough for sure.
Oh, you still got brand?
Do I? That's the positive, right? Still got brakes. Come here, take a good look at this. Look at this shit. Has cancer. So it's a 1996 KH3 R33 GTR. Super rare color. I love black. Those that know me know I love black. Can't see that. You're gonna get me canceled. You're gonna stop? Martin was like,
Oh, I was not sure.
fuck yeah, cut that out.
Yeah, we'll cut that
God
out.
damn it, Michelle. Fuck, so should I start from the beginning? Hold on. So here it is, 1996 R33 GTR in KH3. Super rare color. It's not a GV1, but KH3 is also another black that came in that year. That's super rare. It wasn't in a collision or anything. It was just used as a donor car for another person that crashed. But they did it properly, so all I gotta do is find a front core support, change the struts, some BBL, Built by Legend struts, and a little bit of body repair, and we are back in the game. See this? This has to get repaired. We gotta change the whole strut. This one too, change the whole strut. My boys at Horns Collision, they're gonna get me right as always. Calvin, Jesse, I love you guys. It's coming your guys' way anyway, once I'm done. We got a lot of work ahead of us. Yeah, honestly, it is a lot of work, goddamn. At least they did it right, you know, spot welds.
Should I help them?
It's tugging on something. You're the one with the muscle.
Visual.
Yeah, it's all visual.
Also, yeah.
Hey, you guys need help?
Yeah, he's gonna start it right now. I love junk. I'm out of breath. Yeah, I'm overweight. Into the driveway over here, like more back behind you. Hey, can you take a picture of me? Like this.
Your ass, I ran out of money.
Oh, it's not too bad. Yeah, so this side needs to be patched. This right here has to be patched. Okay, it's not too crazy. This one got to be patched. Well then, looks like we have
We're actually gonna patch it up originally, but Loki just
gave up.
never made a decision on if we were gonna do it or not, and then the car sat, and then we took the engine, and then took this and took that.
Yeah. And then it became this.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
So it went from let's paint the car to just kind of became a parts car.
All right. Well then, let's do it. Oh hell yeah! And I get a free microfiber. Let's go. Wait, is this shit missing a Brembo? It is. They took one. I'm gonna need that.
Oh, they took
Yeah, they did take a Brembo. Did 34 brakes fit on this? I have a full set of 34 brakes.
Yeah, all around will. I don't know if they're the same, but if you swap all four.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I literally have a full set of R34 brakes, rotors.
The old ones?
All right, well let's fucking put this shit down and let's load it. Vámonos. Back it up. As to the trailer, yeah. Turn. Hard.
On the front is like the front.
That's it. Shout out to David
Sir.
for making my dreams come true.
That's the dream.
Nightmare, whatever. It's black though. That's all that matters. It's black. Now I can hang out with Crudo. Let me answer this real quick. Hey, bueno. ¿Qué pasó? No, ahorita ya voy para atrás. Look at that fucking bucket. Who would buy such a thing?
There's your bucket, bro. I can see the rust from here. How long do you think it's gonna take you to fix it up?
Well, the way my account is set up right now. I should record the back. The back is what's sexy. Who cares about the front? Ooh. Those tail lights. See, se ve?
We have to sit.
She got booty.
Yeah.
Damn, rust everywhere.
Huh?
What were you thinking, bro?
Chill. Don't remind me. Got the homie Will. Homie Will. What's better than one GTR? Two GTRs. I'm not in a rush, but I am gonna get all that rust repaired first. People said how fast we already done. We almost done with the car. Oh shit. Yamero. I don't even know how this shit goes. Something like that, right? Is this supposed to go all the way up here? Where? Goes like that, huh? This is mochi.
Pita.
My baby. Córale.
Work.
Oh, the fender.
Oh.
Imagine hitting that one.
That'd be nice.
Sale más caro el caldo que las albóndigas. Go. Is it clear?
Yeah, you're good. Why'd you end up selling this one?
Huh?
Why'd you end up selling this?
Car's in the garage next to the other GTR. Stay tuned. Right now I'm gonna have to sit down and see what the game plan is, but so far it's gonna be like getting the rust repair and then move into, you know, maybe paint and engine. Engine's already gonna be getting done, but for the most part I'm saying a couple months I'll be up and running. We'll see. Depends on how extensive the work is on the chassis. So we'll see you guys soon.